Hey guys, welcome back to RC311 Studios, where our main focus is RC product reviews, and once a week we give one lucky subscriber the chance to win the product we're reviewing. Guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and definitely make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're notified of when I upload new videos to YouTube, especially the product giveaways. We're already on our 7th product giveaway. This one is the micro racing drone brought to you. It's the Air Hogs range, brought to you by Spin Master. It's the Luke Bannister edition. They say it's an easy flyer, flight assist, beginner. It's got a beginner mode and advanced mode. It's also the official partner of DR1 Racing. They say it's the ultimate indoor racing drone. What I've been told, it was excellent for beginners, but we'll find out that a little bit later. So guys, like I said, if you are new to the channel, hit the notification bell. Once you've watched the video, please share and like the video. Leave your comments in the comments box below. And definitely get back to me with any questions. Obviously leave those comments in the comments box. I'll get straight back to you. And hopefully I can help you with any of the questions about the product, or equally if it's something that you want to see reviewed or given away, leave it in the comments box as well. Like I said, this is the 7th product that we're giving away. We've still got up for grabs as I speak. It's the Hot Wheels drone, that's getting pretty close. Then we've got the Hot Wheels helicopter. We've got the Lightning McQueen 1/12 scale radio control car. We've got the Ducati 1/6 scale motorcycle. We've got this is gonna get more difficult. The more giveaways that are up for grabs, it'll definitely get more difficult. So guys, keep watching the videos and then I don't have to repeat so many giveaways because I'll have already gave them away. Next on the list is the amphibious all-terrain vehicle. And then last week we did, also from the Air Hogs range, we did the extreme border. That was a cool bit of kit, really enjoyed that. But equally the micro racing drone that we're doing this week looks pretty cool as well. So guys, let's get straight into the unboxing.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Right guys, this is actually what you got in the box. You got an instruction manual in depth in every language. You've got your actual drone itself. You've got the hand controller. You've got your USB charge lead to obviously charge the drone off your PC or your iMac. 4 spare props, 2 spare obviously little sticks for the hand controller. These they say are more precision. Got little edges on them, but that's personal preference. All they do is they pull off, and if you want to fit the other ones, the precision ones, they just push straight in. We're going to leave the ones that it came with on the hand controller. We'll just put those aside. That's your prop locking tool in case you need to change the propellers, and they give you 4 of those, 2 red, 2 black, exactly what you find on the drone itself. Right guys, that's covering that. Let's just put that aside. Right, as far as the drone, it's got the protective outer cages. Obviously you can still catch the props if you put your fingers in them. Why would you do that? I just don't know, but think of little fingers, so keep it out of the way of little fingers. On-off button is just at the top. That is actually the front of the drone. You can see the LED light on, so I've actually got the drone on. So if you pushed it forwards towards the front, you'll see the red LED light will come on. It's flashing red because it hasn't paired to the hand controller yet. Turn that off, and there's your charging port. So what we'll just show you is that will go straight into the top, push that in, and it'll be ready to charge. Okay, there's a little bit of charge in it from the factory, but make sure that you charge it completely. Give it a full charge. We'll get back to you as far as charge times and run times. Like usual, I have them popping up to tell you guys. Right, what you can do with the hand controller, let's see if I can just utilize this locking tool, and then you don't actually have to have anything else with you if you want to change the batteries of the actual hand controller. It requires 2 AAA batteries. I got it right this time, not like the extreme border. I said 2 AA batteries. 2 AAA batteries. How that battery cover comes off, I'll just put it back on to show you guys. I'm using the locking tool. I'm pushing it in and it just slides back. Quite simple. So let's get those two AAA batteries in. Nice and fresh, brand new batteries. Then that just slides in, push that down with your nail, and then you hear it click in place. It won't go anywhere. So that's that done. Pairing the actual two together, turn the drone off. Turn the drone off, listen to me. Turn the drone on, red flashing LED light. Turn the hand controller on. It should be a green flashing LED light. Just look at that, compared, if you've seen the video with the Extreme border, that took ages to pair. That was literally seconds. By the time I put the hand controller in, that had paired straight away, so fantastic. So if we put that down, now that's pointing towards me, it's in a safety, it's got its own safety feature. Because the left stick makes it go up and down, and it's in the up position, you'd first have to take the stick down, and then apply the stick up and watch the drone. The drone will actually start, but then move the stick back down and it will stop. So we'll turn it facing, so it's facing away from me. Okay, with your hand controller itself, I'll run through them quickly. Just turn the drone off so it doesn't just fly away on its own. You've got a automatic takeoff and landing button in the middle. You've got all your trims. So because the drone actually rotates left and right, and it's operated on the left joystick, those are your trims. So if it's rotating on its own to the left, trim it right, and the same with it rotating right, trim it left. Forwards and backwards, and left and right, because that's operated on this stick. So if it's going forwards, trim it back, and if it's going back, trim it forwards, and left and right. If it's going right, trim it left. If it's going left, trim it right. So you see what the sticks do as well. That would be up, down, rotate left, rotate right. That'd be, the drone would then fly to the left on the stick and fly to the right on the stick, and that would be forwards and backwards. So pretty straightforward. We've got the batteries in there, and the only other two buttons is, one is beginner mode, and if you put it over two, it's to advanced mode. I heard it was a brilliant first time drone to have if you're new to actually flying drones, if you're a first time pilot. And then the only other button is the stunt button to make it do flips and other stunts. Haven't really looked into it, but that's your stunt button. Right guys, a little bit of a review on the Micro Air Hogs drone. Fantastic little drone, super stable, easy to fly, especially in the beginner mode. When it went into the extreme mode, it was a lot more sensitive, but still a great little flyer. 5 to 6 minutes run time, 20 to 30 minutes charge time. Like I said, super stable. We purposely ran it into the wall, the ceiling. We hit it off literally everything, no damage to the drone whatsoever. Maybe once or twice, if it's taken a big hit, we had to trim it again just to stabilize the drone. But to be honest, other than that, a fantastic little drone. Compared to the Hot Wheels drone, a much better drone, much easier to fly. When it came to the stunts, it performed the stunts a lot easier. And I just can't say enough about it. It is 2.4, so no interference. It says it's solely for indoor use. But I think on a super calm day, you could easily take this outdoors. So guys, there's not really much more I can say other than I'm super impressed with it, and it really flew extremely well and stable. And it maneuvered very well. You could certainly try and race it around your house for sure. So yeah, a whole load of fun. I'll get one of these for my son for sure, and I'll probably end up playing with it a lot myself. So guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That will notify you when I'm uploading new videos, or when I have uploaded new videos to YouTube, and that will keep you informed of our weekly giveaway. So comments in the comments box, a big thumbs up, share the video with your friends. It'll all be taken on board. If you want to see something reviewed or given away, drop it in the comments box. Don't be shy guys, leave those comments. Thanks again for joining me, and join me on the next product review and product giveaway. Thanks guys.